Hello there. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can do peer reviews in Canvas that your instructor may assign to you. Now, there's a couple of kinds of peer reviews that will be assigned to you. It could be for an assignment or for a discussion. You should see them in your to-do list over on the right. You can see this is for an assignment, and this one is for a discussion forum. You can also access these directly from the assignment itself, for example, from the module. So Class Prep 1 is one of the assignments where a peer review has been assigned. You can see on the right side of the screen there's an assigned peer review, and you can click on the individual's name to be taken to their submission. This is the student's submission. To do the peer review, a couple of things that you can do: leave a comment and fill out the rubric form. Now, there might not be a rubric form, in which case Canvas would just tell you to leave a comment. Best practices in leaving comments is to leave something incisive, offer feedback on something that the original person has said, try and connect to some new evidence or include some new idea that will help them rethink and re-envision what it is they originally submitted. Provide constructive criticism, basically. And if there's a rubric, you can click on Show Rubric, and there's a couple of ways rubrics might appear. One, it'll identify all the things that are being analyzed and then provide comments for you. But it might not necessarily look exactly that way, but if it does, you can provide the comments here and then provide the point values that you think will be most appropriate for what they've submitted. Another approach that you could take, and I'll just go back to the home page, is you might be in a discussion forum. And the peer review for a discussion forum would look similar to that. You can see that when you click the icons in the to-do list, it takes you directly to the page where you can provide peer review. But you can access the assignment through the discussion as well. And you can see it'll say you have been assigned a peer review. Review now. And it will take you to that same page. So you can see it's the same thing. You need to leave a comment and fill out the rubric form. Keep in mind, if there is no rubric, it'll just be a comment. But you might also get a rubric like this that won't ask you to write any comments, but rather just toggle buttons and say, all right, I think this was full marks, this was above average, and you can view the longer description about what it is that you were actually assessing there. And once you're ready, you hit Save Comment and you're providing feedback, and then you would be expected to provide more in-depth feedback to this comment. So there's a couple of types of assignments in Canvas that you can provide feedback on, one of which is an assignment, one of which is a discussion forum, and that's how you can do it. As always, if you have any questions, please go to the Resources tab. In Global Navigation, ask your instructor a question, search through the Canvas guides, or use the Canvas support hotline to ask questions about what may or may not be working in your peer review. All right, everybody, good luck with your work.